get you a breaking update. What we are learning that there are fresh visuals from the border security forces' strong retaliation against Pakistan that have now emerged. Now, these videos that are said to be dated on the 10th of May show targeted strikes by the BSF on Pakistani positions along the international border. Now, remember, when it comes to the first strikes that were carried out by India, which were mainly targeting the terror dens, the headquarters, the training centers of terrorists in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. What did Pakistan do in return? It started to fire on innocent civilians across the LOC and international border. And ever since the Pahalgam massacre happened, there has been almost on a daily basis news that came in from the border areas that there has been consistent violations that have been taking place along the LOC. Well, Tetri is with us right now. Tetri, explain to us these pictures that have come in. This is the work that has been done and a stupendous work that has been done by a brave BSF Jawans. Pakistani positions along the international borders, these are their posts now being blown up.
Well, absolutely. Remember that there was a ceasefire violation from the side of Pakistan, not just at the LOC, but at the international border as well. And these visuals we are picking up from the international border here at Jammu, where we can see that how the Pakistani posts are completely blown up. That is definitely a major embarrassment and a massive blow to Pakistan, because remember that how, in fact, after Operation Sindoor, Pakistan was completely terrified and he targeted the civilians, particularly in Poonch and Rajouri. We saw that how the civilian areas were targeted that were very close to the border areas, particularly at the LOC. But then when Pakistan continuously, continued with its unprovoked firing, then India also gave Pakistan a befitting reply. And that's what, quite evident in the visuals that you can see on the television screens right now, that how the Pakistani posts are decimated. And not just that, but they are completely blown up. Not just one, but multiple posts of Pakistan are completely blown up. Yesterday, we also saw the visuals of the Pakistani post that was called as Colonel Hut. That was also completely blown up. So back to back number of posts that blown up. And in fact, in the visuals, we could also see that there's also, in fact,
when we mention about the defense forces, we also talk about the brave Jawans who guard our borders, whether it comes to the LOC or the international border. And this is a video that has been shared by the BSF that when Operation Sindoor was going on was active, rather coming at a time when how Pakistani posts were blown up during and along the international border. Those pictures are now emerging. For the moment, Teshri, thank you very much for joining in. Back after